Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to create a habit tracker using TODOIST, your ultimate guide for 2025. First, we'll need to open the TODOIST app. If you don't have it yet, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play. The reason we do this is because TODOIST is a simple yet powerful tool to help you keep track of your habits, and it's accessible from any device. Now that we've done that, let's create a new project by clicking on the plus icon next to projects. Let's name this project Habit Tracker, or anything that suits your preference. This helps us because creating a separate project for tracking habits keeps everything organized and easy to manage. Next up, let's add the habits we want to track as tasks. Click on the plus icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and start typing your habit. For example, if we want to track reading 30 minutes a day, we type that in and hit enter. The beauty of adding habits as tasks is that you can check them off once completed, giving you a sense of accomplishment and motivation to keep going. Remember to set these tasks as recurring. Click on the task, select the schedule button, and set it to every day, every week, or whatever frequency fits your habit. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. TODOIST is now automatically scheduling these tasks for you, so you don't have to remember to add them every day or week. The final step is to monitor your progress. TODOIST has a built-in productivity visual called Karma. Click on your profile picture, then select Karma. This shows you how consistent you've been with your habits. Seeing your progress visually can be a powerful motivator, explaining why this step is crucial. And there you have it. You've just created a habit tracker using TODOIST. It's a simple but effective way to keep track of your habits and make sure you're moving towards your goals. Remember, consistency is key, and with this tool at your disposal, you're well on your way. Until next time, happy tracking.